So just woke up to this. Pretty crazy. Big blizzard going on. Well, I won't be driving tonight. Looks like I'm going to stay right here for a while. That's the fuel pumps over there. And about 11 degrees Fahrenheit. That wind is just shaking the truck right now. It's got to be blowing 30 or 40 knots or something like that. It's crazy. That's the gas. That's the Flying J right there, and you can see the subway sign every once in a while in it. And this is out down here in Iowa. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Just got an opening. Now you can see the trucks. All right. Well, Merry Christmas, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.